Tomorrow, the Carnival Ecstasy will be sitting right here. I cannot believe it.
What's up, guys? Today is our cruise vacation day. I am here with the beautiful Mama Hokum, and we are on our way down to Charleston, South Carolina to board the Carnival Ecstasy tomorrow. If you don't know who I am, my name is Josh. I'll be your host of this amazing fun series, so stick around because we got a lot of fun planned for you. Yeah, guys, we are on our way down to Charleston, South Carolina. We're staying at the
Courtyard Marriott.
Courtyard Marriott. It's on the Ashley River. That's all I know. That's all I can remember. She said it's like, what, 5 minutes away from the cruise ship, maybe?
Maybe.
If that. So we're gonna be staying there tonight, and then, like I said, tomorrow morning we're boarding the Carnival Ecstasy. As you guys know, it is a 5-day cruise. We're heading to Princess Cays and beautiful Nassau. But what you don't know, and this just happened yesterday, if you follow me over on Facebook, you will know this. If you're not, Josh Hokum YT, make sure you head over, hit that like button so you can stay up to date to all this information. But we originally had plans in Nassau to go to Blue Hole, because that is something very...
Blue Lagoon.
Blue Lagoon, oh, okay, that's right. Blue Hole is in Belize, I'm sorry.
Jamaica.
No, Blue Hole is in Belize.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's in Belize, it's like a big...
Well, there's another one in Jamaica, too.
Check that out, what do you know? Side comment, besides the point, we had plans to go there in Nassau. It's like a, you know, it's like a nice family beach day. Apparently it's really, you know, pretty. But a very special sponsor who does not want to be named yesterday actually sponsored for me to go to Atlantis. That's what we're doing. Mama Hokum's actually gonna come too. We're gonna pay for her way, but my way is sponsored. So we're gonna go over and check out Atlantis. We had never done it before because we always said, man, it's just too expensive. It looks like a great time, but it looks too expensive for what it is. But now we're able to go. So yay us. Are you excited?
Oh, very.
I know. She's really always wanted to go to Atlantis. I have too, but you know.
We went to Atlantis the first time we went to Nassau, but we just kind of walked through, and we didn't really do anything. We had taken the water taxi over there, and we were just kind of awestruck of how massive it is, you know, but we didn't dare pay the prices to go in the water park.
Right. So now we'll get to go to the water park. Hopefully we'll get to see the aquarium and the beach and all that fun stuff. It's gonna be a great time.
We're gonna ride that Mayan slide, go through the shark tank.
Heck yeah, we are. And I get to take you guys with us. They said cameras are camera friendly there, so I get to take you guys with us on everything. So it's about 11:20 right now. We're coming up in what, Lumberton? Is that North Carolina?
North Carolina.
Lumberton, North Carolina. So we're gonna stop probably at Zaxby's. It's like a thing here in the Carolinas, and I think it's in Texas and a couple other things. But anyway, it's one of my favorite restaurants. I love it. So we're gonna stop there, grab some lunch, and hopefully make our way down to South Carolina. Should be getting there about 1:30, 2 o'clock. Strap in, guys. Vacation starts. So this is just like, I put it on the scale of, well, you can't really put it on the scale of Chick-fil-A, but, because Chick-fil-A's customer service is fantastic, but it's kind of like that quality, like it's higher than McDonald's, and Burger King, and that kind of stuff, but, not quite at Chick-fil-A standards, you know what I mean? It's good, I like it a lot, I like it a lot.
And so no cheese?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of dressing would you like?
It has got to be about 50 degrees in this Zaxby's.
I'm perfectly comfortable.
I am freezing. I'm gonna start growing icicles in a minute. So, got our food here at Zaxby's. I got the, I think it was the house salad. I also got some French fries, so we're waiting on those. And Mama Hokum got the Big Zax snack.
Which is
French fries
chicken,
and chicken tenders, yeah.
with honey mustard.
Super yummy stuff, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna chow down here for a little bit. All right, there's a sign of a good meal. Here, you wanna put that up there?
Yeah.
All right, so just finished up a fantastic lunch in there at Zaxby's. Great food, guys. If you ever do, you're on the road, or do you live near one and you haven't had the chance to go experience it yet, I suggest doing so. Their food is great. You know, I had the salads there. Y'all saw Mama Hook'em had the chicken tenders. It's all just really, really nicely well cooked. Just a well-run business. So, with that being said, we're back on the road. I am taking the driver's seat this time. Gonna let Mama Hook'em sit over there and chillax for a little bit. And we're gonna make our way down to Charleston. Wow, look. Welcome to South Carolina. Alright, you guys. We're here, kinda. We're in Charleston. Look, oh my gosh, look. Show them, Mom. Ah! Water! They can see nothing but the car right now. Wow, look.
Over there's yeah, that's the Arthur C. Ravenel Bridge.
Look over there. Can they see it?
I mean, if I zoom in, maybe. But
Oh, it's too late. It's too late.
yeah.
Alright, it says we are 12 minutes away. So, almost there. Doing grand on time is 2:38, guys. Your boy is booking it. Alright.
Woo, we're here.
I think.
Yes.
Hey, look at that. We only had one wrong turn the whole time. Man, Charleston's roads are weird. All right, let me see. We got to figure out, hold on, two seconds. We got to figure out where to park.
A few moments later.
Okay. We found it, and wow. Mama Hook'em, good choice. Good choice. Look at this. Wow, we got the marina here and everything. All right, gotta get checked in first. Hold on. All right. Nuts. Orange water. I guess this is regular water. Wow.
Look in there.
Oh, I know. What is this? Just like a lounging area? I love the nautical theming.
Pantry area over here.
Huh?
Like you have the Fairfield.
Oh. Wow. Huh. Cute. Got a microwave. There's all that stuff. Neat. Neat. Alright, let's get parked and all that stuff. I am loving the decor here. What? Wow. 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 I mean, really. It's just so pretty. It's so elegant here. Like, look. Oh. Wow. All right, here we are, room 205. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Let me see, let's get these bags in here. Hit the light switch. Aww. Look.
Charleston Chew.
Wow, look at this. All right. Check it out. Look at the palm trees. It's a very pretty hotel. It really is. I love the decor of it. Everything is everything's very nautical themed, so of course I'm gonna love that, right? Wow, look at this big chair. I love that.
That's actually a hide-a-bed.
Really?
Yeah.
No way. No, it's not.
Oh.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Huh. Wow, that is too neat. All right.
Have the bed facing the window. I mean.
Yeah, that is pretty cool. That's pretty neat. I like that. So, we're gonna get just settled in here really quick. Take 2 seconds and breathe, and then maybe we can go down and walk down the waterfront. What do you think? That sounds like a plan to me.
The waterfront here or the waterfront downtown?
Well, both. We can do both. Let's just walk on water all day. We've literally just been here watching Toy Story for the last 15 minutes. We gotta go. We gotta go. That Charleston shoe was pretty good. I think that might have been my first one. Mm-hmm. It was what was it, like chocolate?
It was like a chocolate marshmallow vanilla.
Yeah.
Like taffy.
Something. Chocolate marshmallow vanilla something.
Taffy.
Taffy something. Oh. So nice. Wow. We could have gotten one of these rooms. Like with the balcony and everything, but it was like, how much more expensive was it?
$30 more.
Yeah, it was $30 more, and we was like, you know. I mean, the hotel's already nice enough, and we're not really gonna be here. We're going like downtown later. I guess that's what you would call it, right? Downtown Charleston?
Yeah, historic.
Yeah, historic downtown Charleston. We're gonna go there pretty much all evening today, so we weren't really gonna be here. There was no point in having that. You know, if we would stay in multiple nights, okay, I could totally justify this because look at this view. Oh my gosh. Wow. What a cute little dock out here. What a cute little dock. Like comes out here, right here in the marina and everything. So we just spent a little bit out here. We're gonna head to the car and where? Go downtown? Mm-hmm. Yeah, just go check out downtown and explore a little bit, see what there is to find and what adventure awaits here in Charleston. What a great day already. We ain't even been here an hour. So we're here at Battery Park, right? Yeah, Battery Park, down here right on the water. There it is. And she was just telling me these are like part of Canon's 13-inch mortar.
So the cannonball would fit in here.
Wow. There's my hand.
Used to defend.
Wow. Check that out. Can you just imagine like a ship sailing, boom. You would be in trouble. You would be in trouble.
And they're all around Battery Park.
Wow.
Look at this.
White Point Garden. Well, that looks something out of a movie. Our ship will be coming in right there tomorrow. Right down here is where she'll dock. Ah, I'm so excited. So excited. I can't wait. Cannot wait. It's killing me. So we're actually here at Rainbow Road? Rainbow. We're here at Rainbow Row. It is, it actually reminds me of Curacao a little bit. But it's like the houses that are all different colors. It's like there's a blue one, there's a pink one, there's a purplish blue one, there's a green one. It's really neat. It's pretty. I like that they do that. I wish that would be in other places. I just think it's so cool, you know, just be different, you know? Oh, I think this is like a little park. Aww. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so neat. Oh, to be a kid again. I'm basically one. They got all these water fountains up here and, well, not like drinking, like giant water fountains like for the kids to play in and stuff. That's so neat. I wish they had more of that in Greenville. Yeah, it's nice and shady. Come here, Mom. We made it down here, guys. We're here literally. Tomorrow, the Carnival Ecstasy will be sitting right here. I cannot believe it. And then, next year, the Carnival Sunshine will be sitting right here. Can you believe that? It is gonna look massive. It is going to dominate this background.
Here comes a water taxi in.
Yeah, how much is the water taxi?
I don't know. I never took it.
Huh. I think there's prices down here. Come on, let's go look. We're heading back to the car. It's like 2 miles that way or something. We walked
About
like
a mile.
Yeah, it's probably maybe like a mile down, but it's like nice here in the shade. But when you step out in the sun, it's like
Death.
we're gonna try and stay under this nice tree coverage as long as we possibly can until we have to squirrel until we have to come out of the shade, and then you know it is what it is. Okay. Where's the AC at? All right. Well, that was a little adventure, but we are done here. We are. I think we're gonna go back to the hotel, and actually, we're thinking about getting in the pool.
Which is something we've never done.
Yeah, we never get in the pool like on the first night, but it is currently 93 degrees. And so that pool is sounding more and more inviting. So we think we're gonna go back, jump in that, hang out there for a little bit, and then we'll probably go out to eat tonight. Still gotta figure out exactly where and what time and all that stuff. And of course you guys are gonna be there for the whole thing. You don't have to worry about any of it. That was a lot of fun, guys. I just want to let you know Charleston is a neat place. It is a pretty neat place. We were just
Straight
turning
over.
left.
Yeah,
Straight.
straight over.
Is this an all-way stop?
I think so.
We'll find out. We were just talking, you know, I don't know what I was expecting when we were coming to Charleston, but it is a neat place. It is really neat. It's got a lot of waterfront, and you guys know I love water, so there, I'm sold. But I don't know, it's just, the atmosphere is neat, the culture, the people are friendly. Really, overall, like, I'm impressed so far. Next time, you're having fun. You got reservations.
Delicious.
She would recognize me if I went back and got some. SoupIsbomb.com. Cut.
Yes! Stop! Stop!
Kind of ruined the whole entire game.